Hello my friends, how are you recently? In my previous videos, I got so many kind feedbacks from you. It means a lot to me. Thank you so much for your support. It's rain season in Paris. Last Wednesday morning, I worked on some pastel drawings in my studio. The weather was fine. In the afternoon, I wanted to go back home. But the moment I stepped my feet in the street, the sky changed. Huge chunks of clouds gathered quickly. All of a sudden, thunder, lightning, followed by pouring rain. I hid myself under a big umbrella on the terrace of a cafe. I saw streams of water running down the street like a river. It was impressive. After 1 minute, I was already soaking wet. There was water in my shoes. I thought, okay, I'm already completely soaked. Why not just take a shower in this rain? So I ran towards home. I was running really fast and laughed out loud from time to time. People might think that I'm crazy. Well, I had a really good time. It's been so long that I haven't allowed myself to just be silly and childish. Anyways, I wish the sunshine will be back soon, and I hope you have good weathers wherever you live. One thing I really liked when I'm painting is the sensation of being completely free. Our children know this kind of feeling when they draw in kindergarten. I remembered that during art lessons in kindergarten, we played with markers, crayons, and graphites. I say played because I think in the mind of children, at least for me, there is no such concept of creating art. We simply want to be amused by art. We don't want to have any protocols or presumptions about what is beautiful and what is not. If the teacher asks us to draw a flower, we just go for it immediately. It will never occur to children to research on reference photos, doing composition studies, ideation about the color palette, etc. We took out our favorite crayons, intuitively pick up some colors, and just rub them onto the paper. We don't care about if the line is straight or if the curve we make is elegant. We don't care if the value is correct or the proportion is on point. We simply forget ourselves in the process of making, having fun. I was one of those children who would be so amused by my own drawing that I would burst into laughter when I draw. It was really nice. When we grew up, most of us just stopped drawing. We may think drawing is a talent that a few people are born with, or it's a skill that we need to go to art school, spending a lot of money and time learning. However, fundamentally, drawing is not an acquired ability. Drawing is innate to human beings. As an adult, we developed opinions on what is good drawing and what is not. We tend to think a certain kind of drawing is qualified as valuable artworks and others to be of less value. I have nothing against a critical way of art appreciation, but we must be aware of the fact that art has an intrinsic value to it whatsoever. It is only human beings who judge them according to their own preferences, and most of the good artworks are decided by only a tiny amount of people, of institutions, like a museum. But really, there are no right or wrong way of making art. We mustn't let others' opinions prevent us from making our own kind of drawing. Take drawings of children, for example. We may say that most of them are not really good, but children's drawings have constantly inspired many important artists in art history, including Pablo Picasso and Matisse. So there are definitely artistic value in children's drawings. What we have drawn in kindergarten might just be the inspiration for the next great artist in the 21st century. Well, I want to emphasize on the fact that everybody can draw, and the pleasure of drawing shouldn't come from the number of people liking it. It should come from us, the artists. Do you like your drawing? Are you having fun? Do you feel like a child, joyfully and freely playing when you draw? Or you're just creating works because that's what other people will like, and that's what society thinks valuable? I think an artist should not be afraid to be themselves. They should find what passionates them, what they want to express, what are their obsessions. Maybe you think what you like is not popular enough, nobody will understand. Or maybe you think your passions are not normal, they're too weird for other people. Don't care. Please just don't give any power to other people's opinions over your drive to create something. Be free and be yourself. What you think the weirdest might be the one thing that a lot of people are thinking about, but not capable of expressing. I wish everyone are able to enjoy the childish freedom when they create art. Thank you for listening, my friends. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a like and consider to subscribe. It would help others to find this channel and help me to develop new content. Take care. Goodbye.